of the UMIDIGI A7 Pro. This is the unlocked variety, which I think all of theirs are unlocked. Always nice to have a little thank you. Phone right here on top. Actually already in a skin, so always nice to have a case. And there is their quad camera design, dual tone LED flash, teardrop shape on front. What else do we have in here? Very good. Have a charger, and yep, 2 amp max, so not a quick charge. And USB-C cable. That's good. And the all-important manual, which none of us really read. So look at this screen. Glass front and back, rear fingerprint scanner, SIM card, power and volume, all metal, and a headphone jack. Oh, gotta love the headphone jack. And if I remember correctly, this one is dual SIM plus a micro SD card, which that is really a selling feature for this for me. So pretty nice presentation. We'll go ahead and get it powered up and set up and put it through its paces.